Do you want to learn the easiest way to make a rhinestone cheer bow on a budget? Set your heat press to 325, cut your 3-inch ribbon to about 30 inches, and pre-press it to remove the wrinkles. And now you're ready to add rhinestones. So what you're going to use are these ready-to-ship rhinestone strips. We have some beautiful designs that come ready to press, like this fully crusted design that I'm using here in AB Crystal. This design has over 1,000 stones per side. They come to you exactly like this with the design already on the transfer strip so you can press it onto your bow. They're so easy to press onto ribbon or even glitter vinyl. I'm also using them along with our Easy Fold cheer bow template mat. This is our regular cheer bow template mat, which also makes it super easy to align graphics if you're adding them to your bow, and to get them positioned right the first time. Some other time savers I love to use are these sticky dots that help you position your ribbon just right, so when you flip your ribbon around and fold it, you can press it exactly where it belongs and your ribbon will not slide. You can keep everything aligned while you crease your center. Here I'm just making a quick and easy peak and valley center that I'm securing with a zip tie. I'm putting a ponytail holder in the zip tie and then checking to make sure that everything is perfectly aligned before I trim the tie. Now all you need to do is trim your zip tie and use a little bit of hot glue to add a sparkly center. These centers are super easy to use and offer a beautiful finishing touch to your bows. This one is AB Crystal, and we also have them in regular crystal with gold or silver accents. Once your bow is complete, the last thing to do is to trim your tails. To easily do this, just take the ends, fold them in half, and then cut on an angle from the center to the end. Then you'll want to grab your other tail and do the same thing for the other side. These rhinestone strips already have the V-cut in the pattern for you. And finally, your rhinestone cheer bow is complete.